Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we will see about latching switch and latch circuit. So let's begin. Friends, latching switch is a switch which once triggered on stays on until the power which goes into the latching switch is removed or disabled. Here friends, most commonly used latching switch is SCR, that is silicon controlled rectifier. This is the symbol of the silicon controlled rectifier, that is SCR. This is anode, which is positive, this is cathode, which is negative, and this is the gate. It is a 3-terminal switch. Here friends, this is the example which we are going to take. Here friends, this is a circuit in which we have used SCR. This is a buzzer or alarm. This is a normally closed switch, PV2. This is a normally open switch, PV1, and this is a battery, 9-volt battery, and this is a resistor here. Here friends, when we press this push button 1, PV1, it reaches here. When we push this PB1, then the supply from the anode to cathode, that is this is anode, this is cathode. Here supply from anode to cathode is started and buzzer or alarm will sound. Here friends, when we push it, it goes down and comes to its original position when we release the push button. That is friend, it reaches to its initial positions. So see here friends, this is a normally open push button here. Suppose it has a spring here. When we push it, it goes here, and SCR turn on and the buzzer will start alarming, and when we release the push button, it goes to its initial position, that is here. And friends, here SCR remains on even if we have removed this, or sorry, we have released this push button. Still the SCR remains on and buzzer will remain sounding. Here it SCR will off, or buzzer will stop alarming when we push this normally closed switch, that is PB2. When we push this PB2, it reaches here and contact with the 9-volt battery is removed or disabled, as we have seen here, removed or disabled. Contact with the power, that is 9-volt battery, is disabled when we push this normally closed switch and it reaches here. When we release it, it reaches to its initial position here, that is this is a normally closed. When we push it, it reaches here. Suppose it is here swing, when push it, it reaches here, contact gets open. When we release it, it come to its original position here. This is how latching switch is used in a particular circuit. Here friends, further latch circuit. Friends, latch circuit is a self-maintaining circuit, that is, after being energized, it maintains that state until another input is received. Here friends, as we have seen in this case, when we give one input, it remains in the on position, that is buzzer remains in alarming position. It gives a sound. When we give it another input, that is this one, that is PB2 here, then after that, after this second input, it stops alarming. Now here friends, Use of latchings in PLC ladder diagram. Here friends, this is the first rung which we used in mostly every PLC ladder diagram. Here friends, this is a start button which is normally open, normally open, and this is a stop button which is normally closed. It is here it is output, this is output. Suppose it is CR control relay, this is CR control relay. When here friends, when we push this push button downwards direction, it contacts get closed, and when we release it, it contact gets open and the output will on. Here when we remove it, suppose its contact gets open, still the output remains on. And here when we push this stop button, it reaches here and its contact gets open and output will off here. And when we release it, it reaches reaches its original position, that is here, and still the output remains off. Here in case of motor, we require to run motor continuously. So here in case of motor, once we start once we push the start push button, then motor stays on and run continuously, and it stops only when we push the stop button. Here friends, in this way, latching switch and latch circuit is used in circuit diagram to keep the output on or off. Thank you friends for watching this video. Like, share and comment for this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.